a biopsy is not a good idea. You see, when you're overflowed with toxicity, your body is going to try and protect you by taking that toxicity and concentrating it into one area, and it forms like a little cocoon. Sometimes this is called a nodule, a cyst, or a tumor. Now, when the medical monopoly goes fishing, and they do this all the time to make money, and they find your cocoon, they're going to do a biopsy, which is going to potentially spread it. So let's say you have a tumor on your kidney. They go in, they do the biopsy, they come back, they say, hey, it's a sea monster. We need to do treatment. Okay, they do the treatment, and a few months later, they run another scan, and they say, oh, your kidney's good, but now you have a tumor on your adrenals. Well, where do you think it came from? The biopsy. Just because you don't know how the body works, and you're listening to people who also don't know.
So we have no idea who this guy is that is advising people not to undergo biopsies when they are possibly diagnosed with cancer. First of all, almost every cancer is only diagnosed by undergoing a biopsy, where we take a sample and examine the cells under the microscope. There are rare situations where you see biomarkers or blood tests are significantly elevated, and you can be most certainly confident that there is cancer, but you still do a biopsy most often than not. So you've got a random person on social media advising people not to undergo biopsies, and I have to react to this because it bothers me, and I worry that there are some people who may listen to this and avoid undergoing medical counseling and intervention because of the fear that the biopsy is the problem. Rest assured that the biopsy is not the problem, and that in order for us to help patients diagnosed with cancer, we must know what we are dealing with, because every cancer is different. Not all cancers are the same. So please don't listen to all of this nonsense that you see on social media. Talk to your doctors, talk to your medical team before you make anything that you'll just consume through social media. Thank you.